she's on the outfit, so.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Dreamy Tropical Travel, your source for African and Caribbean destinations. So we'll be doing a resort review. If you're interested in this resort, after we finish the video, feel free to send me an email at info@dreamytropicaltravel.com. That's info@dreamytropicaltravel.com. Also, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. It'll be a way to help other people find the content. So if you thought this content was helpful, if you enjoyed it, we ask that you please like, share, and subscribe. We're also going on a trip to Ghana, June 9th through the 16th, 2022. So next summer, we're going to Ghana. If you're interested, shoot us an email and we'll get you all the links and you'll find more information in the description box. Okay, so now that all of that's out of the way, let's go ahead and start our resort review. This resort will be located in the Bahamas. So here's Florida, United States, not the Bahamas, it's located in Barbados. And this is Barbados right here. So this is where our resort that we're going to be reviewing is located at. Let's start by looking at the pictures. Okay, this is the reception area. It looks really pretty. Let's go through some of the amenities. So I have some notes here. Okay, so the amenities will be, let's see here. You have a $100 USD credit that you can use for a minimum of 2 stays, full breakfast daily for 2, and airport transfer, 1 airport transfer round trip. So they're going to pick you up from the airport and return you to the airport when it's time to leave. These amenities are subject to availability. The following amenities are subject to availability, which are early check-in, late check-out, and upgrade. So it just depends on what they have going on whenever you actually get there. They also have rooms, suites, which are what we looked at. They also have villas, 5-bedroom villas available. All of the rooms have Italian marble floors. They have large private vendetta, and they have a 24-hour concierge and in-room dining. So I want to keep these resort reviews short, less than 5 minutes. There's much more to this particular accommodation. So if you want more information, shoot us an email. Send our emails in the description box, and I can definitely get in touch with you. Oh, they also have a few promotions going on. They have a winter escape, golf packages, family packages, spa and wellness package, and a romantic package. So again, if you're interested in any of those, just shoot us an email and we will get you all of that information. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Talk to you guys soon. Bye.